So if you hear about Bangkok, what is the first thing in your mind? Beautiful temples, beautiful people, very friendly and attractive nightlife. In case this is one of your bucket list, you might wondering, what does it take to go to Bangkok? Bangkok is very big. What happens if I'm being scammed? Very common, right? Especially if you're a tourist. You might wondering, how much money do you have to bring? This video will give you some sort of idea. I'm gonna show you all the attraction and then the tips and tricks on the transport. Let's say you want to go by tuk-tuk or taxi. You want to know the normal price to go from A to B. The last one is the common scam in Bangkok. So it's been an hour or two exploring Hustle Bustle Chinatown. And I was wondering if there is any Buddhist landmark around this area. So I found these two temples. One of them is Wat Pho and second one is Wat Arun, or it's also called Golden Buddha. So the first destination or the first temple is called Wat Arun, or it's called Golden Buddha. This is located just beside the Chinatown. If you start your day in Chinatown, just keep walking, you will find Golden Buddha. The cost of the tickets only 100 baht, so it's quite cheap. Things to also let you know in advance is that please wear appropriate dress, otherwise they will decline you to get in it. It's actually a prayer area, right? It's a temple. So once I get into the temple, I instantly felt so peaceful and divine. The Golden Buddha was there, surrounded by all the prayers needs. I was just standing in there and just be present, enjoying how majestic it is. So the Golden Buddha exploration is done. The day was so hot and I decided to have a nice coffee in front of the Wat Arun temple, thanks to the air conditioner inside the shop. Moving on to the next journey, the Reclining Buddha. On the way going to Reclining Buddha there, I was asking the tuk-tuk driver. He was so friendly and at the time, he was also mumbling and trying to give better advice to go to Reclining Buddha. I thought it was a genuine advice and agreed on letting him text me until I realized he brought me to a boat tour that costing 1500 baht. Thankfully, I didn't pay 1500 baht. Let's go to Reclining Buddha from Golden Temple. So here is my driver here.
My driver, champion Bangkok of the world.
Champion Bangkok, yeah. Then I took another tuk-tuk driver and I was nearly caught trip again.
I recommend you, but Sleeping Buddha, I recommend you open about after 2 hours.
Oh no.
I recommend you want to go Lucky Buddha.
But hello, it's 2 p.m. in the afternoon on Wednesday, and it's definitely not closed. This is the tips to not fall into it. Never fall into this kind of offer, because those landmarks is always open from 8 to 5 or something like that, normal opening hours, you know. So I had to walk to Reclining Buddha, which is probably take 15 minutes walk. From there, you can also see the Royal Palace. I couldn't go inside there, I was wearing shorts, but Reclining Buddha allow you to get in with shorts. However, there is lady here selling what is it, like a trouser, like Bangkok special trouser. So went into Reclining Buddha for I believe it was 150 baht, and it was blowing me away. So I'm inside the Reclining Buddha now. So it's covered by a wall. So as you can see that it's really reclining, isn't it? It's very chill. And in order to get in, you have to take off your shoes and no hats allowed as part of, you know, respecting the Buddha itself, and also keep the floor clean as well. So it's considered a religious place. So I don't know why I always feel peaceful inside the temple, include this one. Even there is million tourists inside it. It is an experience you should definitely try. So that's the whole length of the Reclining Buddha. And then this is the feet here. That's the feet. You see how big it is. That's crazy. So Wat Pho is done. We've been walking since 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock this morning, and now it's around 2 o'clock. A bit hungry, a bit sleepy, tiring, and I think the best way is to go find food. Maybe explore some good restaurant. So if you have any nice recommendation or where is the best restaurant in Bangkok, maybe you can hit the button here. Reclining Buddha was fantastic, right? And it was around 4 p.m. and the day again still so hot. And I was still wandering around the area there at that time, and I found a lovely Thai restaurant with 4 and 7 star in the Google. So I ordered the tom yum, first time from original country. I was so surprised at how authentic the food was. I didn't realize how much spices are in tom yum. The taste was so strong, spicy and sour at the same time. Such a great combination with the shrimps. As you walk along behind the Reclining Buddha, you will actually find Wat Arun temple just across the river. You might wondering in the first time, what kind of temple is this? Until you actually open your Google Maps and you will see, oh my god, it's the Wat Arun. It's the temple of dawn. So we are in Wat Arun right now. The day is just rain. It was only rain for 15 minutes or 10 minutes and it's stopping right now. It seems stopping but actually still. So this is one of the oldest temple in Bangkok. It's very well known as the lights up in the evening time. So as you see, you don't see any lights coming up on the temple, but in the evening they all will be so cold. So Wat Arun is done until 7 p.m. It took me 2 hours to really enjoying the temple until it's fully dark in Bangkok. Wat Arun is blowing me away, but my journey is not done. I was still curious about the nightlife in Bangkok, and one of them called Khaosan Road. It is a road that with full of street food, and then all the pub or restaurant, and then this is the place where you can find all different crazy food you can ever imagine. So we enjoy Khaosan Road tonight. The main street of Khaosan is a little bit too much, but there is another road if you keep walking at the end of Khaosan, about turn left, and then you will find this road again. Like it's not Khaosan Road that you visited earlier, and then this is like more chill. There's more restaurant and people are very chill too. Just to let you know, in here, if you want to order some food in restaurant, I think it's getting very common now that they only accept cash. And let's say if you want to buy by card, you have to pay at least minimum 500 baht of order. So, or you will get charged 3% of what you pay. There is one mission when I came to Thailand to try crazy food like scorpion. I might try the crocodile. I finally got my first skewer. It smell okay though. It's with the barbecue sauce. It smell okay though. A little bit hard. I find it's very struggling to eat it. It tastes like chicken, but it's a little bit harder. It's like beef at the same time. Yeah. Wanna try that for 100 baht? One is enough. This is the last skewer for crocodile. It's a bit strong at the beginning, like super strong. I think one is enough in a lifetime. I'm telling you, I'm getting sick. No. This is my last one. This is my last one. I have no idea. I have no idea. Is it safe, really? Oh my god. It's very crispy. It's super crispy. I'm not sure. Oh my god. Can't believe it, I ate them. I'm not gonna eat the tail, but I think it's dangerous. I'm just gonna eat the whole body. Eating. It's grand. Oh my god. I eat them all. Khaosan, Thailand, you're so great. Crocodile and scorpion, all done. Lovely. So Khaosan Road and challenge of scorpion and crocodile done. But again, this is not the end of my adventure today. The nightlife is still ongoing. I was so curious with the Chinatown, even I was enjoying it during the day, but I want to see what is Chinatown in Bangkok at night look. So I took a taxi to go to Chinatown and it cost me around 200 baht. In Bangkok, Chinatown it's just so what I expected. I feel like I'm in Jackie Chan movie there. You know, the one that he was in Shanghai. It's so different. If we talk about Asakusa the other day in Japan, and it's more like Chinatown, but this is like the actual Chinatown. Those street vendors, they are selling seafood and all the street foods. So much people actually queuing and then bargaining to find the good price to eat like lobster, octopus, and I think it's very, very amazing how it's so alive. The Grand Royal Palace. This place was my day 3 plan, but unfortunately it was closed at 3:30 p.m. The ticket was quite expensive compared to another landmark, which it was 500 baht. Once I got into the palace, I was so amazed with their architecture, how massive the area is, and then this area is in the middle of Bangkok. Hey guys, we are in the Emerald Buddha / Grand Palace. To visit the Grand Palace here, there is certain rules that you might need to know in advance. You need to dress properly. You're not allowed to wear like sleeveless shirts or even short. So I went to inside of this temple earlier, and it's quite majestic inside. There are few statues. They're all covered in gold and mirror as well. So this is the Grand Palace. The royal family used to live here, but I don't think they do that anymore. So as you walk along, you will find the palace where the royal family used to live there. But now they only use that for office or formal events only. It took me around 3 hours to enjoy the whole thing. The day was so hot, so I decided to go to Sukhumvit Road. Sukhumvit Road is a place where it's really well known with their nightlife, but also shopping center. Nightlife in Sukhumvit is definitely much alive compared to the one we explored last night. One of the nightlife area is the So Cowboy, and then there is another one called Nana as well. That's where you find all the, pop, bar, maybe Ladyboy too, I don't know. It was downtime around 4 p.m. I found there is a mall called MBK Center. You can go to the bridge there, and this bridge is really massive. You can enjoy the traffic, the hustle and bustle of Bangkok during the rush hour. So this is where I am in Prompong station. So if you stop in Prompong station, and there is a Japanese restaurant called Yankee Robatayaki and Bar, that's where I'm gonna go. Still in Sukhumvit area, I was dying to try this new Japanese restaurant I saw on Instagram. So the experience of this Japanese restaurant is the cooks do the cook in front of you, and the ingredients of those meals they also shows in front of you too. So the first dish here is the salmon grill, so have a look at it. Check them out now.
Hi, okay, Gusang. Lamb chop dozo.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Arigato. Wow, still half cooked It's very good. Even though it's half cooked, it's probably like it's less than well done. It's very juicy. It is such a cool place though, but it's quite pricey. I was ordering some sort of sushi and then a lamb legs and also half pint of beer, and it was costing me around 800 baht. For you who wants to experience this, you might want to try this Japanese restaurant. So that was it. 48 hours exploring Bangkok, and I really hope you guys enjoying it. Thank you very much. I'll see you later. Bye.